Hey, in this video, we are going to talk about the 16 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2023. One of the biggest challenges you'll face when building an affiliate marketing business is finding the best affiliate programs for beginners. After all, there are thousands of high-paying affiliate programs to choose from. Choosing the wrong affiliate program could potentially set you back months, whereas the right one could see you generating your first affiliate buckaroos before your site is even finished. So, because this is a question we get asked a lot, we're going to dedicate our time together in this blog post looking at the best affiliate programs for beginners. And we'll try to give you a far more balanced view of why signing up for affiliate networks sometimes makes more sense than an in-house affiliate program, and vice versa. So before starting this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Let's get started. Number 16. Link Connector. Although Link Connector has been around for over a decade, they're rarely featured in roundups like this. But that's what happens when you basically plagiarize other affiliate marketing blogs for your own content. So what makes them different from every other network? Well, they might not be widely known, but they've landed some pretty big names, including Reebok, Levi's, Dockers, Oma Steaks, Brain Sensei, and Deposit Photos. That gives you a pretty decent mix of physical and digital products to promote. Number 15. Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a Canadian network that's been around since the early days of affiliate marketing, or 2004 to be precise. While most other networks focus on providing a whole slew of offers, Max Bounty focuses on what they do best: CPA offers. They have around 2,000 campaigns on their books, including those for more popular niches like online dating, dieting, etc. Most suited to established affiliates with plenty of traffic and who need new CPA offers to push. Number 14. Avantgate Network. Avantgate was founded in 2006, and like ClickBank, they only promote digital products. But unlike ClickBank, the brands they represent are software and digital courses, but 99% software. Now, before we go any further, Avantgate is basically two companies. Avantgate is their affiliate software platform, but their affiliate network is 2Checkout, which is massively confusing because they're also a payment processor. In terms of software, you'll find everything from Hide My Hass Bitdefender, Malwarebytes, SEO Power Suite, and Filmora to FTP software. Number 13. Flex Offers. Flex Offers stand out from the crowd by not standing out from it. The affiliate marketing industry is overflowing with hype, but Flex Offers avoids doing that. Instead, they humbly get on with the business of being an affiliate network. And they do this despite the fact they provide the affiliate marketing platform for companies like Macy's, Walgreens, Kohl's, Hulu, McAfee, and AT&T, among others. Most suited to affiliates who need or want access to the broadest selection of advertisers possible. Number 12. Pepperjam. Pepperjam might not be a name you're instantly familiar with, but they've been part of the affiliate marketing industry for a long time now, making a big enough splash to be acquired by eBay in 2009. They were then relaunched under the Pepperjam brand again in 2016. They represent a mixture of huge brands, including Puma, Nordstrom, Orion, and Lindt, but also lots of more niche brands too. Number 11. Refersion Marketplace. Refersion is an affiliate network I stumbled across recently, and the reason I'd never heard of them before is that they've only been around since 2015. But in that time, they've managed to onboard 17,000 advertisers. That's no mean feat in an industry where other networks struggle to sign on a few hundred merchants. Basically, what the Refersion Marketplace lacks in style, it more than makes up for with its sheer volume of advertisers. Number 10. Fiverr Affiliate Program. Fiverr took that basic concept and ran with it, monetizing the gig industry for services covering the following umbrella categories: graphic design, marketing, writing, video and animation, music, programming, business, lifestyle, and industries. It's potentially one of the highest-paying affiliate programs out there. The Fiverr Affiliate Program offers up to $150 per referral, depending on the category of the service provider you're promoting. Unlike some other affiliate programs, you also have multiple ways of earning affiliate revenue with Fiverr, including their Learn from Fiverr courses, where you get paid 30% per sale. Number 9. eBay Partner Network. We're not going to insult you with a brief history of eBay, because everyone knows what it is. Did you know that more than 80% of the 1.4 billion listings on eBay are for new items? It's not just a marketplace for used goods and slash or junk. And that means being able to build a relationship with their team of affiliate managers, something which could be invaluable to you in years to come. In short, this affiliate program, officially called the eBay Partner Network (EPN), isn't perfect, but it can be a great place for brand new affiliates to start out, usually in conjunction with the Amazon Associates program. Number 8. Etsy Affiliate Program. The Etsy program is something of an affiliate marketing hybrid. That's because the products sold through the platform are made by independent crafters, vintage traders, and artists. Although there has been some creep with overseas manufacturers trying to stake a claim here. What I find interesting about Etsy is that a surprising number of people I know have either bought something on Etsy or are selling their own handicrafts on the platform. Can make money through Etsy's affiliate program by linking to products you find on the platform and slash or reviewing them. Then, when one of your visitors makes a purchase, you'll receive 4% commission. Number 7. Owen. While it's hard to quantify, Owen can definitely claim to be the largest affiliate network out there, with more than 16,500 advertisers and 225,000 publishers at time of writing. In 2020 alone, the platform generated an impressive 182 million sales, and its affiliates earned $1 billion in commission, so it's a pretty big deal. And it's not only big, it's also one of the oldest networks. Owen has technically only existed since 2017, but its roots can be traced back to the Zenox and affiliate window networks, both of which started out back in 2000. Not content with running its own network, Owen also acquired another of the networks on this list, ShareASale, a couple years ago. As you'd expect, there are plenty of big names on Owen, including Emirates, Etsy, and Under Armour. Number 6. Impact. Impact is essentially another big affiliate marketing network, despite claiming otherwise, although it's not as old as the likes of ClickBank and ShareASale. But age, after all, is just a number, so Impact's comparative youthfulness definitely shouldn't stop you signing up. Its founders created Commission Junction, so they clearly know what they're doing, much like the other big-name networks. You'll find tons of household names on Impact, including Adidas, Airm, and HSBC. At time of writing, a grand total of 2,517 brands were using the platform to reach new audiences, with new advertisers joining the network all the time. Number 5. Rakuten Advertising. You might not have heard of Rakuten, but they're an absolutely Japanese affiliate marketing service provider. The only potential downside is that Rakuten is a serious player on the affiliate marketing scene, so the approval process can be slow as #4. Number 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is yet another affiliate network that falls into the grandparent category. They've been online since 1998. That meant instant delivery, almost no overheads, and the ability for them to work directly with creators. And although they could never have imagined social media being a thing, their range of products can also work extremely well with those audiences, especially if your site has little or no traffic. With that being said, Rakuten is a sleeping giant most newbie affiliates don't pay enough attention to. Some affiliates have implied this network is slow to pay out, but I've never had an issue with them. Number 3. ShareASale. ShareASale is probably one of the most overlooked affiliate networks out there. Part of this is because the interface looks very 2002. It hasn't changed since I first signed up for my account many moons ago. Some pay $300, $350 per sale. And no, those affiliate programs have nothing to do with, enlargement products or anything like that. In fact, they represent around 5,000 different affiliate programs, but these are focused more on smaller but profitable companies, rather than just huge brand names. The affiliate marketing dashboard is basic but functional, and sometimes the lack of complexity is actually a good thing. Number 2. CG Affiliate. CG Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is one of the oldest affiliate networks out there. One I've been using since about 2002. What makes them different to Amazon is that CG Affiliate specializes in big brand names, as well as smaller product and service suppliers. So at the time of writing this, they represent elusive companies such as Zappos, Walgreens, Verizon, Under Armour, TripAdvisor, Staples, Sonos, Disney Shops, Sears, and Samsung, and roughly 2,473 other affiliate marketing programs. Number 1. Amazon Associates. The Amazon Affiliate Program, aka Amazon Associates Program, is one of the oldest affiliate programs out there, and it's vast, encompassing all of the products they sell online. So if you can find something on Amazon, you can sell it and get a cut of the profit. And that includes everything from books to bullhorns, and anything in between. There's something for every audience. Amazon's affiliate marketing program is pretty much the first place we send brand new affiliates simply because it's so easy to use, especially when creating your first affiliate links. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.